Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your device through the recovery mode. Before I get started, I do want to kind of add a little bit of info. So you can do this kind of a reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So if you have a screen lock, you can't get into your device, you can reset it and get rid of it. But usually that will mean that your device becomes FRP locked. If you go into the settings, or if you can't actually get into the device, this means FAll, but just to give you a little bit of an info in here, if we go under the Google account, and there is a Google account signed in, for me there isn't one, but if there is, your device will become FRP locked when doing this process. And this will force you to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that is signed in before the reset begins on the phone. You just need to verify one of them, and from there your phone unlocks and you can finish up the setup. Without providing at least one of those, your device basically becomes a brick. So anyway, to get started, you first want to turn off your device, so you'd hold power button and volume up, and then swipe down to turn off your phone. Once it turns off, which will be indicated by the vibration, hold power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the REALME logo, let go of the power button. Next, you will see the Android with no command. So when you see this page, hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, and this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. In here, there's actually more options visible, but based on my camera settings, you could barely tell. Yeah, we have a list right here, barely visible to me actually, so it's not just the camera settings, to be honest. But anyway, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. When it's selected, press power button. Then select Factory Data Reset. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so we're just going to press power button to reboot our device, which will continue resetting your phone in the background. This will take about 2-3 minutes to finish up, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.